Knee stiffness or weakness in the back can slowly affect daily life. Many people experience discomfort while walking, bending, or standing for long hours. Instead of depending only on painkillers, this simple natural remedy helps support joint health from within when used regularly. Benefits: helps reduce knee pain and joint stiffness, improves joint lubrication and smooth movement, supports cartilage and connective tissue health, helps with weak knees and back discomfort, reduces joint inflammation, naturally improves flexibility and mobility, supports overall bone and joint strength. Useful for early joint weakness and age-related joint problems. When taken regularly, this remedy helps restore comfort in joints and makes daily movement easier. Remedy preparation: take flax seeds and fenugreek seeds in equal quantity. Lightly dry, roast them and let them cool. Grind them into a fine powder and store in an airtight container. How to use: take 1 tablespoon twice daily. Once in the morning, once at night. Continue this remedy for at least 2 months for better results. Who can use this remedy? Adults with knee or joint pain, people with stiffness or weak joints, those who walk or stand for long hours, aging adults who want natural joint support, who should avoid or be careful, pregnant women, diabetic patients on medication, people with thyroid problems, anyone allergic to seeds. Possible side effects: mild gas or bloating at the beginning, may lower blood sugar if taken in excess. Drinking warm water after use helps digestion. This is a natural, affordable, and easy remedy for long-term joint support. Consistency is important to feel real benefits.